Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Sony Bravia smart TV and you're trying to do a factory reset. I'm going to show you how to do that. Very, very simple. I had to whip out the instructions to figure this out because typically with these Sony TVs, like a lot of you guys are probably just clicking on your home button, clicking on your home button here, and then you're going to settings. Depending on what model you have, your settings might be right down here. You might have a bunch of apps when you click on the home button. You have to go scroll all the way down to find the settings, or it might display on the top right hand side and you have to find settings. Anyways, before with the regular Sony smart TVs, you would just go to settings and you would go to customer support, and then in this menu here we would have something called like storage/reset. We click on that and then we have an option here called factory reset. However, the Sony Bravia TVs don't have that option in here, and I just read the manual and finally I figured out how to do it. And what you have to do to factory reset a Bravia Sony Smart TV is it's kind of it's not as easy as just clicking one button, but you have to go on your remote and you have to press the up here. Okay, I didn't say volume up or channel up. The up button here, you need to press and hold this, and then as you're holding this, you need to go ahead and press the power button on the TV. So let's go ahead and let's do this together. But let me just show you where the power button is on this Sony Bravia first. So if I go ahead and if you look on the very bottom here, you can see we have three buttons right here. So the first button here is the volume down, the middle button is the power, and the third button here is volume up. Okay, so let me go ahead and put the TV back down, and let me just go ahead and press the middle button, the power button first. So if I press the middle button, this will pop up here. Now if I long press it, basically meaning if I press and hold, I'm holding still, and it's going to automatically power off. Okay, anyways, I have to remember where that power button is on the TV. Now let me go ahead and grab my remote. Let me just turn my TV on now. So the TV has to be on, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the up bar on here, not the volume up, but just the up here. I have to point on TV when I do this. So let me go ahead and get this set up. Let me have my finger placed on the power button. So it's the middle button. Okay, so my finger's on the power button. Now I'm going to grab my remote and I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the up. Point at the TV, press and hold the up. I'm still holding the up, and now I'm going to tap the power button once. And now I'm just going to let go. And now you can see it says reset right there. And now it's performing a factory reset. Once it boots back up, it's going to be as if we bought the Sony TV brand new, and we have to start off at the initial setup, choose your language, choose the Wi-Fi, and all of that good stuff. So anyways, that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Hope that helped you out. Thanks for watching.